Life is all about the memories we create. Imagine hitting the open road, exploring new places, and spending quality time with the ones you love. At Ron Hoover of Laredo, your adventure can begin today. With our wide selection of RVs, there's something for every lifestyle. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a brand new way of living, we'll help you find the perfect RV to start making those unforgettable moments. The open road is waiting. Start your RV journey today with Ron Hoover of Laredo, Texas. Let's make your RV dreams a reality.